Stop 8. Rightmost South Wall, Mural Restorations photo collage and archival video clips. To the right of this color process installation is the center of the south wall, and it's a 3-foot by 2-foot photo collage of Marcos Reyes's photographs from 1994 mural restoration over a white background. In these color photographs, some students are sitting on a scaffold painting a la Esperanza mural, while others are mixing paint colors outside. At the center of the collage is a color photograph of student muralists smiling outside of the mural with paintbrushes in hand. Detail shots of the mural are graphically taped together and scattered throughout the photo collage. Some images have details of the mural with graffiti and brown patches covering up the graffiti across the mural. At the bottom of the photo collage, black text reads 1994, 2015, 2000 ellipsis. A la Esperanza mural has been restored twice within its 40 years of existence. The first restoration, funded by Pilsen Neighbors Community Council, was led by Marcos Raya and Salvador Vega at the 1994 Fiesta del Sol. It was motivated by graffiti tagging over the mural and the school's unfortunate response of covering up the tags with brown patches of paint. In 2015, Benito Juarez Community Academy asked Jimmy Longoria to restore the mural due to stucco deterioration beneath the mural. The 2015 restoration generated significant changes to the original mural, such as the erasure of the 1979 credit panel. To the right of the mural restoration photo collage is a 21-inch wide black video monitor with 2 headphones hung below the monitor, playing 4 clips on a loop. In the first clip, it is an outtake of La Esperanza video made in 1980 from the projection before. This scene is a close-up shot of Benito Juarez students looking at the A la Esperanza mural that has been defaced with yellow paint splatter and has a note critiquing the mural. In the scene, Malu Ortega talks with the students, asking for their feedback and thoughts on the mural being defaced while they stare at the defaced mural outside. In the second clip is Jim Ferguson's Greetings from Benito Juarez High School, made in 1979. This scene starts with a pan shot of A la Esperanza mural in 1979, going from left to right, followed by a close-up of the credit panel stating, A la Esperanza, Casa Slam project funded by Department of Human Service, City of Chicago, copyright Malu Ortega y Alvero, Jimmy R. Longoria, co-designers, 1979, assistant artist Salvador Vega, Marcos Raya, Oscar Moya. The scene switches to Malu Ortega speaking in front of the A la Esperanza mural 40 years ago. The third clip is an oral history with Malu Ortega, made in 2018, interviewed by me. This scene includes Malu Ortega speaking in front of the A la Esperanza mural 40 years later. The fourth clip is an extension of the oral history where the setting shifts to a medium shot of Malu Ortega inside an apartment over a kitchen table, speaking amongst a pile of newspaper clippings, photographs, color samples, and other ephemera of the A la Esperanza mural. A label reads, La Esperanza Outtakes, made in 1979. On September 6, 1979, the artists arrived to their defaced mural in progress with yellow paint splatter just 10 days before it was expected to be completed. A note signed by the community of Benito Juarez students critiqued Jimmy Longoria's lack of connection to the community and Malu Ortega and Jimmy Longoria's contemporary approach to the wall. However, the artists and community were very skeptical of who actually authored this note, especially since Jimmy had made peace agreements with local gangs in order to produce the mural throughout the summer, and Malu had deep connections with the parents and students as she assisted with the photography class at Benito Juarez.